I don't know about you, but after doing some projects, my work area gets filled up pretty fast with a bunch of scrap wood laying around. So today I decided I'd change that by making this scrap wood holder out of scrap wood. There are a lot of ways to do something like this, but I just wanted to share how I made mine so you can learn from it and take some of the ideas to make your own. I started by cutting the wood to size, and I made this 1 foot deep by 3 feet wide, which to be honest I thought would hold more wood than it does, although it did end up being pretty perfect for the amount that I had laying around. But if you have a lot, I would suggest making the scrap wood holder bigger and go back farther, that way you'll be able to fit more. I screwed in a wider piece across the bottom just for extra support on those skinny legs. Then I also cut these at around 23 degrees, I believe, but you can play around with whatever works for your dimensions, and then just cut it in for both sides so that it stands diagonally. That way it'll hold the scrap wood when it's inside and keep it from sliding off the sides. Then I actually found this little arch from another project, and you don't have to use something like this, you can just use a straight board, but since I had this I figured I'd use it, so I just screwed it together on the top. Then I just screwed on some caster wheels so that it can be moved easily, because once there's scrap wood in this thing, it gets pretty heavy, so this turned out to be really useful. This was a quick one, and really the purpose of this video was just to show you the process and ways that I put together my scrap wood holder so that you can take those ideas and make one that works for you. Also, this is a sign to clean up that extra scrap wood that you got laying around, because I know how it can pile up. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you got something useful out of this. I'll see you in the next one.